Fiverr, what's up? My name is Justin Morris and I work with PHPbb on a daily basis. I have my own website that runs PHPbb. I'm constantly adding modifications to it. This probably has about 50 modifications to it. This is my own style. It's the extreme style, which I love. It's just sleek looking. And you can see it's got like a chat and everything, and link box, welcome box, all. There's probably about 50 modifications on it. And if you need a PHPbb form installed, I can do that, easy peasy. If you need help fixing your board, you know, it's kind of a trial and error figuring out what you did and what modification you might have tried installing and this and that and whatever, but you know, we'll narrow it down, we'll figure out exactly what it is and get it back up and running for you. Or if you want modifications installed, which I love doing, you know, whatever it is, see my gig extras, order today exclusively here on Fiverr. You won't be disappointed.